Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can export your presentation on Gamma AI as a PowerPoint presentation. For example, to keep working on your presentation you created on Gamma AI on Microsoft PowerPoint. So let us guide you through it. So guys, navigate to your presentation on Gamma AI here on by clicking into Gammas inside your account overview or home screen here, by selecting the given presentation. I will go with that one here. Next, what you want to do, guys, is click into these three dots here next to your profile icon and select export. And after that, you will be redirected to that window here. So you may invite someone to collaborate with you on the project. You may share the presentation, but you can also save it on your device. For example, by selecting export here. And below, select your output file format, like PDF, for instance, or via Google Slides, or in the PNG file format, or, as previously mentioned, as a PowerPoint presentation. So select it, click into the button, wait for the exporting process to be finished. And there you go. You will see the download then here in the top right corner in PPTX, which means the PowerPoint presentation or your presentation will be saved in that format on your device in your download folder so that you may open it from there using Microsoft PowerPoint. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.